Actually, if you are going to study the composition of this EPSA, this is what you call export processing zone. We have around 236 companies operating inside, actively operating inside. And we have a component of around 75 to 80,000 factory workers, excluding those who are working in the office. In the light of the event that follows after the people take over, which we call EDSA People Power 1, the President of the Philippines then, the Honorable Her Excellency Corazon Aquino, mandated the establishment of more worker-related committee to help workers in alleviating their plight. Because most of the workers here at the export processing zone are not earning so much that some of them are not even in keeping with the labor laws of the land. And so, as the coordinator, as I have said a while ago, it is my bounden duty to protect the workers and to cooperate with the EPSA administration.